Arshi Ayub and it's truly a pleasure to be here at the AI and Drone Expo organized by the Rights Department of Chandigarh Group of Colleges. It's truly a pleasure to be over here and address this audience full of young people and most importantly the young innovators of India. It is truly the leadership of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the UAE President, and in conjunction with the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who have led this mission to make the nations an AI enabler and AI leader. We're truly delighted to know that the country, specifically Indian population, and as Prime Minister Modi fondly says, this is the time for Bharat. It is the new age where Bharat succeeds and the innovation prospers, and we are all a part of that mission that amplifies success, innovation, prosperity, and shared peace. Thank you very much once again.